Hey, we should go to Weinheim.
Weinheim is ideal for a day trip from Frankfurt. To reach Weinheim, you can take any Deutsche Bahn train until Heidelberg and Mannheim and then take a tram. This town is located on the western side of the Odenwald. It's 10 kilometers northeast of Mannheim and 15 kilometers north of Heidelberg. The old part of this town lies in the valley and the new part stretches further to the west. Weinheim was first mentioned in 755 AD in the Losch Codex and mentioned as city in 1264 AD. This beautiful town is now home to almost 45,000 inhabitants. This is the aerial view of the town. Isn't it splendid? The castle of Windeck or the castle of Wachenburg both offers mesmerizing views of the town. To talk about the Windeck Castle, it stands on a small hill in Weinheim on the Bergstrasse. It was built around 1100 to protect the inhabitants of the Losch monastery. Destroyed in war with France, the ruins were later restored. Today, these ruins are classified as historical monuments. Other than Windeck is Wachenburg, built in 1907 by a student fraternity. The best part of the castle is the restaurant where you could enjoy a meal and a view of the town. These two castles highlights Weinheim, and that is why it's often called zwei Burgen Stadt, or the town of two castles. But to me, something else appealed more than the castles. It was the Geberbachviertel, or the Tannery Quarters. Stepping into these districts of tanners, the slow-flowing brook, the half-timbered houses, the narrow alleys seemed as if time stood here still since the medieval period. These neat little winding alleys, with some houses stately, some modest, belonged to the tanners of the 16th to 19th century. In 19th century, these tanneries were replaced by industrial leather production. This is the market square of Weinheim. I could not capture the true essence of this market square. All the charm of open terrace cafeteria, the chatter of friendly people, the fragrance of food, the clinking sound of cutlery is now gone due to COVID regulations. This was Ashwin's favorite market square, but it seems the pandemic has hurt the soul of Weinheim. Near the Weinheim Marktplatz is this castle, or should I call it a city hall? Well, it is the Rathaus, or the Office of City Administration. This was a former castle, and its unique architecture reflects different epoch. The oldest building is from 1400. To the north is the Renaissance building. In late 18th century, a neo-Gothic tower was added. The Baroque castle part was built in 1725. Der Schloss Park, or the Castle Garden, is another beautiful place to relax and enjoy nature in Weinheim. It is unique in each season. Looks amazingly different. Usually in the summers it's green, and in winter it's white, quiet and peaceful. The body of water which is now half frozen, ornaments this garden gracefully. Persecution of Jewish communities is an uncomfortable but undeniable history in Germany. This is a memorial for the victims of war and violence. These are the places that I could explore in a day. There are yet few unseen sites that I already feel an urge to revisit Weinheim and explore. So, this is my story of Weinheim. It may look like an ending, but perhaps it isn't. Please subscribe, like, and share the video.